In this inclusive YouTube mini course, we'll be creating and finishing our first game in Godot. A quick note, this mini course is designed for any skill level. We'll be going through basics and advanced concepts later in the course, so everybody should be able to learn at least a little bit of something. Also, make sure to stick through this video to the end so you can get a good understanding of what we'll actually be covering. Now, what will we be actually covering? We'll be going through how to download and install Godot 4, effective note-taking for future prototypes using the Obsidian software to give us access to a creative space to come up with new ideas, store the knowledge we've learned and actually allow us to come back in the future and give ourselves a little refresher, creating our first project and gaining a basic understanding of the Godot editor, including layouts, the setup of a different IDE, if you don't really want to use the Godot IDE, and much more. The basics of the GD scripting language, going from data types to functions and pretty much all the rest of it. The setup of our 2D platformer prototype so we can actually create a basic idea of what we want to design, turning that prototype into a primary project so we can redesign it in an expandable way, basic to advanced concepts, decoupling our code using signals and singletons, basic OOP or object-oriented programming concepts, inheritance, composition, when to use what and why, and honestly a lot more. As we go, we'll be revisiting earlier parts of the project and adding some of the new, more advanced knowledge we gain to improve and keep our game up to par with our current skill level. Developing in this way will really allow us to kind of see how far we've come, how much we've improved, and how we can go about designing other projects in the future in a much more expandable way. By the end of this course, you'll have a fleshed out game, a large, saved knowledge base, a firm understanding of the Godot engine and the GD script language, and finally the full process of game development going from theory to prototype to finished project so you can move on to creating your own projects. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on the next part of the course, and leave a comment if you have any questions. As always, have a good day and enjoy your game dev journey.